नमस्कार मित्रांनो, आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण स्क्रम मास्टर इंटरव्ह्यू सिनेरिओ क्वेश्चन अँड आन्सर समजून घेणार आहोत. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Skill Coach. In this video, we will discuss an important Scrum Master interview scenario question. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Pandurang Chavan. I have more than 20 years of experience in the IT industry. I have worked on a various IT project management and agile delivery environment. I have 10 plus years of experience as an agile coach, Scrum professional and project manager in IT. I am an MBA graduate, PMP certified, CSM certified, Microsoft trainer and AI certified professional. So today we will see one of the scenario based question where you have multiple stakeholder pushing for their future to be prioritized in the next sprint. How would you handle the prioritization of the product backlog? So first of all, as a scrum master, understand the problem. Okay, so multiple stakeholder want their feature in next sprint, conflict business prioritization, pressure on the development team, need structural prioritization. So in many real world projects, multiple stakeholder request their feature to be delivered first. For example, marketing may want to promotion feature. Okay, then compliance team may need regulatory update, and customer support may request improvement. Because of this competing demand, conflict may happen, right? So the question is, how should a scrum master handle this situation? Now, as a scrum master, how to clarify the role? Okay, so product owner responsible for product backlog prioritization, scrum master facilitate collaboration and remove conflict, then development or QA team develop, test and deliver the working software. So first we must remember an important Scrum Master principle. In Scrum, the product owner is responsible for prioritizing the product backlog. The Scrum Master does not decide the priority. It is very important. But instead, the Scrum Master facilitates discussion and helps stakeholder align with the product vision. So the Scrum Master approach, the step to handle this situation, align the product vision and sprint goal, facilitate stakeholder decision, and use value based prioritization, support product owner decision and ensure transparency. So when I face this situation as a Scrum Master, I follow the structural approach. As a senior Scrum Master, you should answer this question in a structured way. So interviewer see your facilitation skill, okay, stakeholder management and Scrum understanding. A good structure is situation, approach, tool and framework use, real world example and outcome. Therefore, the first, I ensure that everyone understands the product vision and sprint goal. Second, I facilitate discussion between the stakeholder. Third, we evaluate future based on the business value, customer impact and urgency. Then finally, the product owner decide the priority with transparency. So the next thing is that technique. Okay, so business value, customer impact, risk reduction and the methods. This method as Moscow, must have, should have, could have and won't have. Then WSJF, so weighted shortage job first. So weighted shortage job, this method used in the safe environment. So there are the 6 to 7 team work together, plan together, build together and deliver together. In that environment, around 50 to 125 people work together and find the dependency and all. So in that environment, WSJF method mostly used, okay, to find out the priority of the task. So finally the product owner decide the priority and transparency. Okay, so to avoid emotional argument, we use structural prioritization technique. For example, business value, customer impact, risk reduction, and the effort estimate. Sometimes team also use Moscow, as I said, and WSJF method to identify which feature deliver the highest value. This helps stakeholder focus on data driven decision instead of opinion. So data driven decision is nothing but the velocity. Previous 2 to 3 sprint, what is the velocity? Based on average velocity, we can take the point in the current sprint. So always the decision has to be taken by data driven. Okay, so now we will take real world example. So banking mobile applications. In one of the banking mobile application, we had three different stakeholder requesting feature. Okay, so compliance team wanted KYC verification feature, the marketing team want promotional banner system, customer support request transaction search improvement. All stakeholder wanted their feature in the next sprint only. Okay, so all are the all requirements are the priority according to their department. Okay, so now how we solve it this situation. So first of all, first thing how to do, facilitate the prioritization meeting. Okay, in that meeting, regulatory requirement, business value, customer impact, and development effort. So these thing how to evaluate. To solve this situation, I facilitate a prioritization meeting with the stakeholder and the product owner. This is first step. Then second, we evaluate each feature based on regulatory requirement, business value, customer impact, and the development effort. After discussion, we identify that the KYC feature was mandatory for regular compliance. So final decision is that prioritization outcome: sprint 1 KYC compliance feature, sprint 2 transaction search improvement, and sprint 3 marketing promotional feature. So finally the product owner prioritized the KYC compliance feature for the next sprint because it what is that, it had regulatory urgency. So other feature were planned in upcoming sprint because the decision process was transparent and stakeholder accepted the outcome. So in this situation, what is the Scrum Master role? The Scrum Master role is facilitate collaboration, encourage value-based decision, support product owner, maintain transparency, reduce stakeholder conflict. So maintain transparency in the sense, whatever decision or whatever discussion is happening, okay, it should be logged to the Jira board or DevOps board and document on the Confluence page. So these are the transparency. Okay, and so in this situation, the Scrum Master play a very important role, and we facilitate collaboration, encourage value-based prioritization, and support the product owner. Our goal is to maintain transparency and reduce conflict between the stakeholder. So key lesson is that prioritization must be value driven, transparent, owned by product owner and facilitated by Scrum Master. The key takeaway is that backlog prioritization should always be a value driven and the transparent. Okay, the product owner own the priority and the Scrum Master ensure collaboration and align among the stakeholder. So that's it for today's topic, and next I will prepare similar scenario based questions for you. Then I will prepare for Scrum Master salary within India and overseas. Then I will provide you the Scrum Master career roadmap also. Okay, so that's it for today. And if you want to learn more about Scrum Master interview scenario, agile practices, or career guidance, subscribe to the Tech Skill Coach channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon so that you receive notification for my upcoming videos. If you need answer to more scenario based Scrum Master interview questions, or if you have any suggestion, please write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching and support the channel. So thank you. हा व्हिडिओ पाहिल्याबद्दल धन्यवाद. तुम्हाला स्क्रम मास्टर करिअरबद्दल अधिक माहिती हवी असेल तर www.techskillcoach.com ला भेट द्या. नेहमी लक्षात ठेवा, युअर टाईम मॅटर अँड युअर करिअर कम फर्स्ट. म्हणून योग्य स्किल डेव्हलप करा आणि करिअर ग्रो करा. जर तुम्हाला स्क्रम मास्टर हँड्स ऑन ट्रेनिंग किंवा करिअर गाईडलाईन्स हवे असेल तर तुम्ही मला कॉन्टॅक्ट करू शकता. कॉन्टॅक्ट डिटेल स्क्रीनवरती आहे. तुम्हाला स्क्रम मास्टर करिअरबद्दल काही प्रश्न असतील तर कमेंट करा. धन्यवाद. थँक्यू.